Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Today inshallah in our lesson we want to talk about the form object in Dreamweaver CS 5.5. We discussed last video about the forms in general, how we can add them, why we need them. Everyone knows that all of the users want to register in some websites, want to buy from websites, so they have to fill some forms, applications on that website. In our lesson today, inshallah, we want to learn how to add these forms in our website waterpark. For example, here let me open. This is form that we are going to design like it in our new page in our waterpark website. As we discussed last class, we have more than an element in our forms. There are text field, checkbox, ready button, list or menu, scrolling list, image field, hidden field, submit button, and reset button. These are the most important elements that we use them always. Let's start how to do the form, how to add the form in our page. Do you see this form? It has a table, and inside the table we added the labels and here the fields. For example, this one is a text field. This element also text field, but this one is a select or an list. This one is a menu. This one is a menu. And here we have radio buttons and submit and reset buttons. Focus, here we need to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows and 2 columns to write in the left column the labels for the elements on the right column. Okay. How to answer the form? Launch Dreamweaver, open ticket.html page in your Dreamweaver. Here this is the ticket. If you don't have it, you can create a new page and name it ticket. And here the title of this page will be buy a ticket online. Don't forget you can change the title of your page from here to display this title in the browser on the user's computers. So here we opened it, put the cursor where you want to put or insert the form, and then from insert menu select form, then form. Here from insert menu select form, then form, or you can choose it from the insert toolbar here, form, then choose form. Sometimes some users cannot see this insert menu, that because they didn't use the classic, maybe they use the designer view. So here just you can go to designer and choose a classic. From this common insert toolbar you can go to forms and then choose form to add the form in your web page, or in general from insert you can choose form, then form. We will discuss this. Okay, where's the form? What happened? Here, form, insert menu, select form. A red box appears on the page as shown here as this red box. It represents the form, but we cannot see it here. How to display the form border? From Edit, Preferences, then Invisible Element, and choose Form Delimiter, then OK. Okay, this is the form element border. If you put your cursor anywhere inside the form, it means you have selected the form itself. Or to select it, as you see here, form 1 from the status bar down. Okay, let's start adding the content to our form. First, we want to add a table into the form. So here, insert table. We need 8 rows, 2 columns. Good. We need it to percent, for example, 80%, and okay. Okay. Now here we want to add the details about our form. Like here, we want to type full name, email, phone number, gender, how many water park ticket for adult you want, how many water park ticket for children you want, mode of payment, how would you like to pay for us by using Visa or Master, and these two ways we want to arrange them in different way here. So let's start typing here. First, full name. You can type anything. Then here, email, email. Then here, agenda. Then here, what's it? A phone number, yeah. Phone number. And here, how many? Ticket for adult. How many water park ticket? يعني nothing happened. Water park ticket for, and here the same thing, the same thing, but for child. And then mode of payment. Or at the end we have to another options. Now here we want to add an element for our form. Also from forms you can add text field, or from insert form choose text field. Here what do you see here? ID and label. Label, skip it because we typed the labels for them before anything. So here ID F name. Okay, this is the first element. F name, first name, full name, anything you can do. Car width max characters, for example 25 letters. The user cannot type more than 25 letters. This text field type single line. It means the user can type in a single line. But for example, sometimes we want to type a comment or address, or sometimes email or anything more than letter line, so you can choose multi-line. Sometimes for login or sign in registration pages or forms, we want to use the password here to display stars instead of the letters. So here we want to use single line and max characters 25. Okay, now email, also we want to type an email, where of course in a text box. This is the text box. Email 1. I prefer to put numbers after each name, so sometimes some words are keyword, you cannot use them in this place. Anyway, this is the email. This is the email. And here phone number insert also phone number. Of course, we cannot use spaces between the words in the IDs. Phone number. And here for gender, we want to use different type. Not all of them as text box. We want to use from form. We want to use here, for example, list. Select list menu. Gender. Okay. Here in gender attributes, from the property inspector down, sorry, we have two options, menu and list. What's the main difference between them? Menu allows you to choose one option from all of the options in this area, in the select command. But list allows you to choose more than an option and can be hidden for more than two items. For example, here we want to add the items to our height 1. We can make it 2. It means display 2 items for list. But for menu, you cannot do that. Just for 1. Type. Let us add the values for this option. We have, of course, as we know, we have two options, female and male. But here we have to put the values. So let's type them exactly as them, female and male for male. Okay. You can rearrange them as you want. It depends on your choice. Okay. Now focus to distinguish between menu and list. Menu allows you to choose one. It displays one option each time. Here are the two options. But list allows you to display 2, 3. It's up to you. You can type here the number that you want. And it allows you to choose multiple options, more than an option each time. And of course initial selected, which means the first option that will be at the beginning. Okay, but we want to choose male, and initial selection will be male, or female will display the female as you want here. Clear? Done? Inshallah. Now, how many water park tickets for adult? How many water park tickets for children? Also here we want to add another two lists to allow to users to pick the number of tickets that they want to choose. Also select here Google number of tickets for adult. You can change the name, it's up to you. Adult number. Okay, without label, huh? And here let's play here. It's a menu. We want to list value, change the values. Item here 1, and then add another option 2, add another option 3, another option 4, another option 5, another option 6, Focus here, I started from 1 because if you are an adult, you want to buy at least one. You cannot come here to buy nothing. Okay. Next, also add form list menu. Here, how many water park tickets for children? For children, as we named that one child number. Okay. Let's type the options here. Here we can start from 0. Why? Because I'm an adult without children. Okay, you can go without children. So that we put this option 0 here. But for adult, you cannot do it. No children without adult. Add last option. You can type anything as you want. Why, okay. Done. Mode of payment. Here we want to add a radio button. Focus about the radio button. Add form. Radio group. Radio group. Checkbox group. Radio group. Radio button. What does it mean? Add radio group. Group, it means we have more than an option. Radio group, here we want to choose payment, for example, payment. And here the options. First one, label, MasterCard, and here the second one is Visa card. Their values, Master, and here Visa. Display them line breaks or table. Display them in a table, it will be better. Okay, do you see them? Both of them in the same place. Now we want to send the data to the administrator of the website. How to do that? Don't forget file, save, display your page in your browser. Here full name, you can type your full name, for example Mahmoud. Completed. Email, you can type your email. Then Gmail, for example .com. Phone number 050505 and a number, and here male female you can choose it. Here number of ticket for adult 3, and here for children nothing, 0 1, you can change it, it's up to you. And here mode of payment, Master, Visa. Focus, I choose here I choose for this one from insert form radio group. I didn't choose radio button. Radio group allows you to add more than an option, more than radio button in the same group. But you can build your group by adding them and give them the same name. Do you see this radio button name? It's payment. And this one also payment. Both of them have the same name. Okay. Now we want, as I told you, we want to send these details to the administrator of the website. How to do that? From here we want to add last two options, form button. What is it? Submit. Mhm. And here also insert for, what is it? It is reset. Okay. Submit. What's this? This one is the submit that I added. Its name submit. But this one I give it the name reset. So it will be the action for this button is reset. So you have to choose this one here. Your action for these buttons, submit or reset. Do you see this submit? It is submit form. And this one is reset. Reset means clear everything, delete all of the choices that the user have chosen or the text that he inserted. But submit, what does it mean? It means send these details to the administrator or any person, depends on the designer of the website, by their emails. Can we do that? Yes, of course. Here, this one, submit. Don't forget, always make save all. How to send these details to the user? Check them. Okay, type anything here. Email, yahoo.com, phone number, any number, mail number here, 4 tickets, here 3 by visa. Reset will delete all of them, but submit will send them. Have you seen anything? Nothing happened. What does it mean send them? It means here a form. Focus on our form. Do you see this red line? There's red border. Put your cursor inside it. Anywhere inside it. Do you see this? Okay. Inside this border. Anywhere inside the form place. Here from the status bar you can select, or you have to select form 1 to select everything in your form. Do you see it? It is very important step. Why? To display these options here. Again, put your cursor inside anywhere of your form, anywhere inside your form, and then from status bar come here to select the form 1 to display this option in properties window. Now here, what do you want the action for this form? What do you want the method? The method should be passed because we want to send the data to the administrator. And here, what do you want us to do? We want to focus on these words. Mail to colon, then type the email, your email as an administrator of your website. For example, here my email. This is my email, salsoft2002 gmail.com. Here, ink type, encryption type, we want to type another thing here. Always use text, plain. Do you see these things? From selecting the form itself. Okay. Now we have finished our form and everything related to it. Let us test it. Last time on typing here some words, Mahmoud, and here type my email, for example salsoft 2002, another email, يعني anything at yahoo.com. phone number, this is my number, mail 1322, choose number by MasterCard, submit. What will happen? Oh no. Now submit opens the mail program to send the email to the administrator. But what do you think you will see in the email itself? What you will see in the email? Oh, mashallah. Do you see full name? We named it F name. Email, we named it email 1. This is the email. This is the data from here. Do you see? It took everything from here. Done. Then you can type here the subject, for example, buy tickets, and then just click on send. The email will be here to the administrator of the website. Okay, is there any question? I hope not. Type. Let's go back here to our all of the website. Here we want to go to the index page, and we want to link our ticket page with this page, the home page. For example, let me add an image here from my water park images. Let me choose this image. Okay, this is the image, but here the most important thing, I want to link it with my ticket. Clear? Okay, save all and return to ticket. Here let us change its background image. Let's choose BG. What is it? BG should be up for this one. BG. Okay, let me add another thing. Attach style sheet, for example my text. Yes, add it. Do you see this thing? We want to change it to be one of our titles. Okay, thank you. Save all. Now let's go to the index and test everything. Preview on a browser. Here, yeah, buy a ticket. It opens the ticket. Didn't I save it? I don't know what happened. Must be saved. Anyway, here you can type your details and your number. Choose anything here and choose here, and then press on submit. Paste the details. You can send the email again. Okay, that's the ticket. I save all. It should be like this. I don't know what happened. Type it again. Okay, high index. I don't know, but it works. I sure it works in the browsers online. I'm happy for watching this video. Please, if you have any comment, any question, ask me in the comment area. Feel free to contact me anytime and ask anything about this subject or any other subject related to our lessons in Dreamweaver. Thank you. Goodbye.